Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a vehicle accident report with Carfax, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover a vehicle accident report with Carfax, start by visiting the Carfax website. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter the vehicle identification number, or VIN, of the car you want to investigate. If you don't have the VIN, you can also search by the vehicle make, model, and year. Click on the search button to initiate the inquiry. Once the search results appear, look for the specific vehicle you are interested in. Review the available information to confirm it matches the vehicle in question. Scroll down to find the section related to accident history. If accident information is available, details about the incident will be displayed. For a complete report, click the option to purchase the Carfax report. Review the pricing options and select the one that best meets your needs. Proceed by entering your payment information as prompted. After the transaction is complete, you will receive access to the detailed report. Download the PDF version for your records. Check for any noted accidents and the extent of damages listed in the report. If necessary, consider reaching out to Carfax customer support for more assistance. This concludes the process for recovering a vehicle accident report with Carfax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.